Welcome to our channel. Today we how to check CVS OTC card balance, member guide step by step clearly. To check your CVS OTC card balance, start by gathering your card. Make sure you are in a quiet place with good internet access. Open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the CVS OTC website URL. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the site loads, look for the Login section. Enter your username and password in the appropriate fields. If you don't have an account, you may need to register first. After logging in, locate the section for account balance or card balance. Click on this section to view your balance. If you prefer using a mobile app, download the CVS Pharmacy app. Open the app and log in with your account credentials. Tap on the OTC Health Solutions option in the app. Your current card balance should be displayed on the screen. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer service. They can assist you with balance inquiries and account problems. You can also check your balance at a CVS store. Present your OTC card to a cashier for assistance. The cashier will provide you with your current balance. Now you know how to check your CVS OTC card balance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.